Hey everybody, welcome to Beyond the Body. Today we're going to go over the 10 common mistakes people make when they go on a keto diet. Make sure to watch it till number 1 because we believe it's the most biggest mistake people make when they start their keto diet. Before we get started, be sure to check out the link in the description for our number 1 weight loss recommendation. And also, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on notifications so we can keep you posted with more videos about bettering your health and improving your physique. Now let's jump right in. The keto diet is an incredibly powerful tool for those looking to achieve weight loss and improved health. It's a very unique approach to dieting that involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake while significantly increasing fat intake. The result has been reports of successful weight loss and incredible improvements in energy, mental clarity, and overall well-being from those who have followed a keto lifestyle. The success of this diet comes from the way it helps to reset the body's metabolism, allowing more fat to be burned instead of stored as fuel and effectively turning your body into a fat-burning machine. The impressive benefits makes it clear why the keto diet has taken off in recent years, proving that it is an incredibly powerful way to improve your health. While a keto diet can be an excellent way to promote weight loss, it is important to keep in mind that mistakes can easily happen and should be avoided. It could be eating too much protein or not enough healthy fats, and those are one of the common errors on a keto diet, as these macronutrient intakes should be carefully balanced in order to stay in the optimum state of ketosis. Additionally, neglecting to get the proper amount of macronutrients can lead to nutrient deficiencies and health issues. Taking care to measure meals and research recipes that include whole fruits and vegetables are great steps for people planning on embarking on a keto diet journey. Doing so will ensure that the dieter has the most success in reaching their goals for weight loss and overall health improvements. But let's check out the 10 most common mistakes people make going on a keto diet, starting with number 10. Eating too many carbs. On a keto diet, it's easy to make the mistakes of eating too many carbs. Many who start the diet may not realize that even regular daily staples such as bread and fruits are high in carbohydrates. Other carb-filled snacks such as chips, cookies, and toast can also be high in hidden sugars and other carbs. Adhering strictly to the suggested levels of net carbohydrates mean being mindful of portion size as well as reading labels carefully to ensure that you're not overeating carbs on your keto plan. Carbohydrates or carbs are an important part of a balanced diet, providing the body with energy. Unfortunately, many people who embark on a ketogenic diet, which requires drastically reducing the intake of carbs, mistakenly believes that this means avoiding them altogether. While reducing your carb intake is essential for achieving a successful keto diet, eating too few can lead to fatigue, constipation, and insomnia, as well as interrupting your metabolism and putting you at risk for nutrient deficiencies. The key is to find the right balance for your body, ensuring you eat adequate amounts of healthy carbs to support your energy levels while avoiding excessive intake. That way, you'll be able to maximize the remarkable health benefits of adopting a ketogenic lifestyle without falling off the wagon due to getting caught up in unrealistic and extreme dietary rules. Number 9. Not eating enough fat. Eating the right amount of fat is essential when trying to achieve the keto diet. If you don't eat enough fat, your body will struggle to produce and utilize ketones, which in turn can cause problems with concentration and energy levels. This is because fat is one of the main sources of nutrition on a ketogenic diet. Eating enough fats also helps to keep your hormones in balance, as well as helping you feel fuller for longer, which can help reduce cravings and overeating. Additionally, consuming healthy sources of fat can aid in increasing nutrient absorption and improving mental well-being. Remember, a balanced approach to eating includes sufficient amounts of nutrition, fats from both animal-based such as fatty fish or grass-fed butter, and plant-based sources like avocados or olive oil. By including the right amounts of nutritious fats in your daily meals, you will be on the way to achieving success on the keto diet. Number 8. Eating too much protein. Eating too much protein on a keto diet can be dangerous. Eating excess protein can lead to an imbalance of macronutrients and cause more carbohydrates than intended to enter the body. This means that even though you are following a high-fat, low-carb diet, your body is getting more carbs than it needs and you won't attain ketosis. Furthermore, eating too much protein can also lead to weight gain. If your body isn't using all of the protein and glycosis, then it may convert into fats. For these reasons, it's important to carefully monitor the amount of protein you eat while following a ketogenic lifestyle so that you are getting the most out of the dietary proteins without consuming too much and risking potential health complications. Number 7, not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water is a critical part of any healthy diet. But when it comes to the keto diet, hydration is especially important. When you begin the keto lifestyle and your body begins to get used to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose, it releases toxins that must be flushed out through urination and sweating. While eating high-fat foods is an important part of the keto diet, drinking plenty of water helps you process those fats more easily while also preventing headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Consuming adequate amounts of water also helps you feel fuller longer so you can better stick to your reduced carbohydrate intake and hit your weight loss goals. Clearly, staying hydrated on a keto diet isn't just a luxury, it's an essential part of making this new way of eating work for you. Number 6, eating unhealthy foods because they're low in carbs. Eating unhealthy foods low in carbs is a mistake while on a keto diet because it can lead to nutrient deficiencies. The ketogenic diet is designed to be low in carbohydrates, but high in healthy fats and proteins. Eating unhealthy low-carb foods such as processed meats, refined sugars, and fried foods can lead to an inadequate intake of essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. In addition, these types of foods are often high in unhealthy fats, which can increase the risk of various chronic diseases. Furthermore, eating unhealthy foods low in carbs may cause blood sugar imbalances that can lead to cravings and difficulty sticking to the diet. This is a great way to start your day and feel like you really ate a full meal. Eating keto means skipping breakfast to avoid snacking on too many carbs. You can do this more quickly by taking your first meal of the day as a keto shake. Use any non-perishable protein powder and mix it with water, coconut milk, MCT oil, or bone broth for a keto-friendly shake. Number 5, skipping breakfast. Consuming breakfast is important to maintain a healthy diet, regardless of the diet one follows. While there are many benefits to skipping breakfast while on a ketogenic diet, such as allowing more of one's daily calorie intake later in the day and decreasing overall hunger, it is important to take into account how skipping breakfast will affect your body and lifestyle. Skipping breakfast can lead to cravings throughout the day that may cause unhealthy eating habits or distract you from meeting your healthy goals. Additionally, when going on a keto diet for the first time, it is important to fuel your body with nutritious foods that are beneficial for producing energy, aiding digestion, and maintaining strength. Therefore, if you choose to skip breakfast while following a keto diet, it is essential to pay extra attention to selecting foods for lunch and dinner that pack adequate nutrition, but still align with a low-carb lifestyle. Number 4, going overboard on cheese and nuts. If you're following a keto diet, it's important to bear in mind that not all food is created equal. Yes, cheese and nuts have a low carb content, but overindulging on these can still lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Cheese and nuts are high in calories, fat, and in some cases, sodium. Adding too much of either into your meals can quickly add up, which may push you out of the desired nutrient ratio for ketosis. Knowing what is acceptable within each macronutrient group is essential before making adjustments or deviations from the general guidelines outlined by the keto diet. Being mindful of any changes you make will help keep your overall eating habits balanced and ensure you get the most out of all the health benefits keto has to offer. Number 3, counting calories. Sticking to a keto diet is all about being mindful of the type of foods you're consuming, and that includes not relying solely on counting calories. Eating nutrient-dense, whole food options helps to support healthy energy levels without worrying if the macros line up perfectly. When people begin a keto diet, focusing on what they are eating can be more beneficial than obsessively tracking calories. Eating enough healthy fats such as avocados and olive oils will help keep your hunger at bay. Focusing on lean proteins like fish and grass-fed beef alongside both non-starchy and starchy veggies will also ensure your body gets plenty of vitamins and minerals to function properly. By shifting away from counting calories and learning how to plan meals based off the philosophy of a keto diet, you can benefit from sustained energy levels while promoting overall health in the long term. Number 2, not tracking their progress. Tracking your progress can make a huge difference to the success of a keto diet. Keeping an accurate log of what you eat, how much exercise you do, and any other associated changes, such as taking supplements or medications, will help you identify any areas for improvements in your diet. Knowing what works and what does not is the key to making sure that you stay on track and reach your goals. Without tracking progress, it can be difficult to stay motivated with the diet, which can quickly diminish any potential benefits associated with it. Take the time to keep track of your progress, measure results accurately, and modify accordingly. It may make all the difference. And finally, number 1, giving up too soon. Following a ketogenic diet can be incredibly challenging and require patience, determination, and consistency. Unfortunately, it's easy to give up when results do not come as soon as expected. However, it's important to remember that the keto diet is a lifestyle change, not a miracle fat-burning program. While some may see immediate changes in their cholesterol levels or lose weight quickly, many people who stick with the keto diet gradually reach their goals, as long-term health benefits are gained from consistently following dietary guidelines. To stay committed to the keto diet, it helps to set reasonable expectations of progress and reward yourself for successes no matter how small. With just a little work and dedication, you will see satisfying results in time. Check out this video, 10 best exercise for bulletproof knees, and also be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.